The information evening was very informative because we know what to expect in the following year.
I really liked how they introduced the societies. They're really helpful and they're really friendly.
I learnt about the mid-test topics and just very useful tips that everyone provided about every single subject.
Just gave us like a subject breakdown within medicine and dentistry, such as like biophysics, medical physics, anatomy, and they told us how to study and how to plan our time to have like a balanced, efficient working method.
If I knew about this before, I'd be even more excited to come.
So today we had the Bulgarian crash course, and I found it really like calming, because coming to this country and obviously the language being completely different and the letters as well being different, it was really overwhelming at first, but the course actually, it simplified it a lot and it's not really as complicated as it first seems.
They taught us simple phrases that we need to know and useful phrases.
For example, how to order a taxi, because that is quite a common thing that you have to do, especially as being a student as part of Plovdiv Medical Uni.
I loved Plovdiv when I first came. I was so excited about the weather.
Of course, I was anxious moving to a completely new country, but I feel like really welcomed here.
I was in London, I was thinking this is a new country, I'm not sure if I'm going to sort of cope well and adapt well, but really when I've come here it's been really easy settling from day one.
It's very diverse here, which I really love, and the country's just really beautiful altogether.
I would absolutely recommend MedConnect Europe without a shadow of a doubt.
It's probably the best agency I've ever used.
They're always with you, it's so easy to contact them.
And they just help a lot, and they help you meet like everybody else in the agency, so you make friends really easily, and apartments were really easy to find because of MedConnect, so I definitely recommend them.